we'll guide you through how to create ClickUp reporting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on the dashboard's icon. If you don't have a dashboard yet, you'll want to create one by clicking on the Put New Dashboard button at the top right. Give your new dashboard a name that makes sense for the reports you want to generate. Next, you'll need to add card to your dashboard. Click on the Put Add Card button. You'll see a variety of options like task list, time tracking, pie chart, and more. Choose the one that best suits the data you need to report on. For example, if you want to see how tasks are distributed across your team, select the pie chart card and customize it by selecting the specific tasks, people, or statuses you want to include. You can adjust the settings of each card to filter the data according to your needs. Click on the card settings icon to make these adjustments. You might want to add more than one card to get a comprehensive overview, such as combining a task list with a bar chart. Once you've added and configured your card, you can rearrange them by simply dragging and dropping them in your dashboard. This way, you can prioritize the information that matters the most to you. Now, with everything set up, you can see real-time updates on your projects, track progress, and make informed decisions based on the visual data presented. Remember to save your dashboard once you're satisfied with the setup, so you can easily access it later. Dashboards are also shareable, so if you need to collaborate with your team, you can send them a link by clicking the Share button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.